Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and an internet friend of mine sent me an email this morning wanting to add uh, color fill, texture fill to an extruded item. And I wasn't for sure it could be done. It can definitely be done. And if you're watching this, I'm not going to mention any names uh, but it can be done. But your particular pattern is going to have a lot of work to get it to actually do this because all the curves and stuff. But I drew a square box, and I'm going to go to the extrude tool. I'm just going to extrude out a box. Click there. That's good enough for the video. You can see I've already done it several times. Then I'm going to go and I'm going to select it, all of it, and I'm going to go up and break it apart, break the extruded group apart. Then I'm going to take my virtual segment delete key and I'm going to delete the lines that you should not be able to see if you're looking at a cube. So now we just have the exterior ones, and there might be a couple ways to do this, but it worked for me. I'm going to take my color fill tool. Okay, my box is 9 inches, so I've got my nudge factor distance set on 10. I'm going to take my color fill tool, and I'm just going to move these out of the way. And then I'm going to take them individually. I'm going to go left click, right click, and all I'm doing is making new panels for my box. So I'm just taking away the color fill and leaving myself an outline. Then I'm going to go up to the fill tool to the texture, and I'm going to pick this wood, and I'm just going to hit OK. Then I'm going to do the same thing for this panel. I call them panels, they're just pieces of the box, but I don't think there's another way you could do this. And then our last panel, and I'm sure if you really got into this, you could actually rotate the color differently, but I think it worked pretty good. Now I'm just going to move this box back, or my panels back. Select it all, and then left click, no fill, right click, no outline. And it kind of looks good. Now you could have maybe rotated this one and had the grains going that way, but you can definitely tell it's a cube and it's got fill in it. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit, and thank you for watching.